Okay, so this should be a quick video. So whenever we talk about inflation, there's actually an additional set of vocabulary which you may encounter, and that is, okay, so we know inflation, that is an increase in the overall price level, but there's also the term disinflation, and then we have deflation, and that is a reduction in the overall price level. So inflation is an increase of price level. Deflation is a decrease in the overall price level. Decrease of price level. But you may also hear the term disinflation, and disinflation is simply a reduction in the inflation. So reduction in or of inflation. So what that means is, if let's say in last year's period we had 5% inflation, well, in this year we still have 3%. That means we still have inflation, but it's disinflation because it is less than last year. For whatever reason that I don't understand, whenever we have deflation, but deflation becomes a little bit less, let's say we had like a negative 5%, so we had deflation of 5% last period, and now we have only negative 3% in the next period. Well, that should be some kind of, I don't know, deflation, but the term doesn't exist. There only seems to be inflation and disinflation, and there is deflation, but there is no disdeflation. That term doesn't exist, at least I've never heard of it. But you may still need to hear about inflation. That is something. Whenever you hear disinflation, that means we still have inflation, but it's less than in the last year. Okay, so that's just a note on the side, and that pretty much completes everything that you should know about inflation, at least at this point. And in the next video, we'll still talk briefly about long run and short run economic growth.